Ay, ay, ay. That's a big pain.
That's a big pain.
Big pain. Big pain.
You're pushing through though.
Oh, I can't see.
A lot of
big
progress.
pain.
Yeah, better progress
Yeah.
than this morning.
Yeah.
You got a boost.
Yeah, better.
Yeah, boost.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Better. Oh my God. Oh my God. Sophia, where is Juliet? Sophie, you see grandma?
You know something now.
Ay, ay. Ay. Oh. Ay.
Wow.
Por que ça nous fait marcher vite comme ça? Ay. Too early?
Early for what?
Too early for doing operation yesterday.
I know, but
Since yesterday I work.
I know.
Ah.
That's what the doctor wants, so.
Yeah, doctor.
Yeah.
But no good for me.
It's good for you.
Ah.
Yeah.
Because too much pain.
I know. I told him about your pain.
Big pain.
I know. I wrote it on a note this morning.
Okay.
Yeah.
Woo. Oh my God.
I'm listening to you, okay?
Oh, you patient.
Yeah. You're
You're doing everything good.
Yeah, you're doing everything good too.
Yeah. You patient.
Yeah.
You have patience. Yeah.
I know.
Oh.
You're doing so well. You're beating
Oh.
your walking distance from this morning.
On fait marcher trop vite, marcher ça trop vite. Et il y a une opération en fait. Wow. Aïe.
Good job.
What been good job, même si je connais qu'il a fait mal.
You feel bad.
That's a big pain.
I know.
Woo.
Yeah.
Oui. Oui, ils fait marcher trop vite, il y a opération.
Il y a bien regardé pour être gens encore ahí.
Oui. Maman.
Keep going straight. All the way down.
Yeah, okay. All the way down.
All the way down.
All the way.
All the way.
Yeah. Very bad for me.
No. Good. Very good for you.
Oh, I need more water.
I can give you more. And here's some tissues in here as well. So I'm gonna go get you some juice and water, so you can have both.
Thank you for more water.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. Because I'm very thirsty.
No, I imagine after surgery. So
You know I'm value.
you're dehydrated. So I'm gonna get you some more. Okay?
Thank you.
Of course.
I tellement les boules.
This here, it prevents blood clots. These things, and I can put it on your leg, on the opposite leg. But you should, that's not blood clot. It just means, like, for example, if I pricked myself now, sometimes it can be super liquidy where you start dripping. That means you're hydrated. But if you have to, like, squeeze, that means you just need to drink more water.
I do that. I quiz every day. I see that, but I forgot to tell Dr. Torres that this morning.
That your blood tends to be thicker.
I think a blood clot. I'm scared.
No. It doesn't mean that's a blood clot. It just means that it's just thicker. You know what I'm saying? A blood clot is like, it's a specific spot and the blood stops and then it creates a clot. Like a scab. A scab is a blood clot on the outside of your skin because it has to get hard to create a scab. So that's what that is, but you don't have to worry about a blood clot or anything like that. It just means that your blood is a little thicker, so drink more water. And if they think it's something, they will just give you a blood thinner. But you should be fine. I'll let her know though.
Okay.
Alright, and then your sugar was a little high. It was 242, so I'm gonna let the nurse know, okay?
Ok. Eso, ay, me do fè. E pati doule. Doule agrave, yon pi. E pi depi menm jou ap, yo menm ap fè mache. Si mesi a de di, la boy nan boy tapi bon. Tapi bon. Oh,